Hello everyone and welcome to the Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the error. The system administrator has set policies to prevent this installation. Now let's get started. To resolve this issue, open the Start menu, type regedit, and run it as administrator. Then copy the path provided in the video description and navigate to it in the registry editor. Once there, locate the key named Disable MSI, open it, and change its value to 0. After that, restart your PC and the issue should be resolved. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.